Hello, I'm Doug Rohren here in Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. And it's late November. Our allee of dawn redwoods are starting to color up. And they are a conifer, a plant that bears cone, which is what conifer means. And the majority of conifers, think pines and spruces and firs and podocarpus, are evergreen, but a few conifers are deciduous. And so our dawn redwoods are getting ready to shed their leaves for the winter, and they turn a most wonderful sort of rusty bronzy color. It's a really lovely feature. And our allee of dawn redwoods are the yellow leaf form. Dawn redwoods are sometimes known as a living fossil because long before Westerners realized it still existed, only knew it from the fossil record. And I believe you can find fossils of dawn redwood and ginkgo in North America, probably from the time of my childhood when all the continents were one before continental drift split them into separate continents. But they haven't existed in North America as part of the native flora for millennia. But they were only discovered in China in the 1940s, an area of China that is now a national park, JLBG Park. And if you ever saw that dreadful movie, Avatar, where the spaceship or whatever is flying between those incredible, very narrow limestone karst mountains, that is JLBG Park. And there you can see wild Metasequoias, dawn redwoods growing. Despite its ancient history, they are incredibly easy plants in the garden. Very fast growing. These would have been planted in 1996 or thereabouts, so they're not tremendously old, but they grow really quickly. Love moist soil, not soggy soil, but moist soil, but it will be very happy with just average moisture soils. And their scientific name is Metasequoia, which means something near a sequoia, the giant redwood. Glyptostroboides, which means resembling glyptostrobus, which is the Japanese pencil cedar. A wonderful tree to add to your garden, especially if you want something that gets tall in a short time. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.